So welcome to week 3. Again, we're going to be doing our live chat Monday, uh, 9 p.m. CST, 7 p.m. PST. I live in Las Vegas, so it's a little easier for me to do it about 7 Pacific Standard Time, just so you guys know. Office hours, you're not limited to the hours I have posted. If you need help, please call or text me. You have my contact information. One of the reasons I keep bringing that up is our email system for faculty here at AIU is not the greatest, and so unless I log in, I don't know that you emailed me. Like every other week, we have our discussions and our IP. This week our IP is kind of weird, but we'll discuss that here in a second. The reading. This is one of those weeks where there's just a lot of content. Our reading is chapter 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've already prepared lectures for 13 and 15, and even those are quite a lot. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, there's so much material there, which I am trying to get video lectures done for those. It's just, again, that's a lot of content. So our week 3 is network interfaces. That's going to include our networking devices, our network design, troubleshooting, a combination of our WANs and LANs, all of our devices for our WANs and LANs. This is just like a quick crash course in general networking. I teach Cisco classes, so this is just a lot of material to throw at students. Not that it's impossible, because it's totally possible. Just takes some time, that's all. So next is our discussion questions. This is weird, I could not get that side to cooperate with me. Have to love PowerPoint. For our requirements, again, 1 by Wednesday, 2 additional ones as responses to peers. I did want to bring up, because we are in week 3 now, being respectful of one another. That was a really big thing. Because we're doing an online class, because we're behind the keyboard and we don't have face-to-face interaction with our peers, that doesn't mean that we can be disrespectful of them. We're all at different levels, so again, keep that in mind when we respond. Don't be condescending. That's a really big thing. And yeah, so what are we asking for this week? Essentially, we're asking for, you need to purchase a firewall and a router, and we have a $10,000 budget, and how are we going to accomplish this? It gives us some additional details for what we're going to have to meet, what's our scope and things like that. So do read all of it in detail. The big thing that I'm looking for is identify why. Did you use the entire 10 grand? Are you including costs of installation, of configuration, of setup? Why you chose the product that you did? Will it meet the scope? Things like that. Last is our IP. Again, requirements 2 to 3 content pages and an additional APA reference page. I need to make sure that you're doing in-text citation using APA format. Okay, so what is the question we're answering this week? We're looking at a PC running Windows XP Service Pack 3. It's having connectivity issues. In your own words, how would we address the following issue? At least 2 of the things that could be wrong with each of the following. So, could it be a physical networking problem, like the actual cable? 2 things that could go wrong. A network interface card and network connectivity issue. Here, it doesn't specifically have to be physical. It could also be wireless. So you could do 1 physical network card, 1 wireless network card. Again, what could go wrong with it? And maybe it could be a component of the operating system. For example, an IP address conflict, or the OS has disabled the network interface card. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I also want to make sure that you are providing insight from the text. So as you go through this, make sure that you have support from our literature. And that's actually it for this week. A lot of reading, but our assignment's pretty easy. And so yeah, if you have any questions or anything, please just let me know. Alright, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.